Starting around 05 April 2024, Chilliz basically is exchanging at 0.18387 in term of its first rate with the value change of 0.1% in sort of most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner. CHZ truly has an extremely all-out market cap of $1,233 or 92,605 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $100,623,765 in an especially significant manner. This makes Chilliz CHZ in every way that really matters, positioning at 84 in the digital currency market, which truly is genuinely critical in the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering. What in every practical sense is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024? What will Chilliz truly be worth in 2024, which basically is very critical? Is Chilliz a fundamentally wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is very critical? Will CHZ cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which for the most part is very critical? These basically are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future, showing how starting around 05 April 2024 Chilliz certainly is exchanging at 0.18387 in term of its first rate with a value change of 0.1% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which basically is very huge. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally cross a truly normal value level of $0.11708. The normal pretty least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to essentially be 0.11642, further showing how might CHZ cost generally outperform its untouched all things considered high in a fundamentally large way. Besides, CHZ can sort of arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $9.79, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz CHZ value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Chilliz cost in a real sense is estimate to really arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $0.1257 in an unpretentious manner. The CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.12414 with the by and large normal expected cost around $0.1375, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. CHZ value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Chilliz in a real sense is determined to essentially be at around a base worth of $0.2364. Showing that starting around 05 April 2024 Chilliz generally is exchanging at 0.2387 in term of its first rate with the value change of 21% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a huge manner. The Chilliz value worth can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $1.483 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $1.416 in USD, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz value expectation June 2024. Chilliz cost fundamentally is supposed to for the most part reach between $1.2421 to $1.2554 in June 2024, while the sort of typical cost of CHZ for the June sort of stays around $0.18473 Chilliz. CHZ value forecast July 2024. The cost for Chilliz in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.18437 and $0.11613. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.10502, or so they fundamentally thought. Chilliz value expectation August 2024. The cost of Chilliz in every practical sense is especially anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $0.18495 in August 2024, which sort of shows that while the very normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.2502, which certainly is very critical. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0.11688 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.18547 all through 2024 in a quite enormous manner. CHZ value conjecture September 2024. The Chilliz gauge for September 2024 expects that the CHZ may generally arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0.750 with an especially least cost of around $0.18557, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value CHZ can truly stretch around $0.20609 for September, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Chilliz CHZ value gauge October 2024. The Chilliz CHZ cost for October 2024 may for the most part arrive at any rate worth of $0.25 while the greatest determined cost truly is around $0.28 to 30 in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal cost for CHZ especially is anticipated to generally reach $641 in October 2024, which is very huge. Chilliz value conjecture November 2024 the especially normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could in every practical sense go to $0.2674 toward the finish of November 2024. CHZ could be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $10 in 12 with the very least expected cost of $0.622, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz value expectation December 2024. Chilliz cost especially is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.1642 to $0.79 in December 2024, while the especially normal cost of CHZ for the December essentially remains around $0.708 Chilliz, especially past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 2-3% in its most certainly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we look at the especially current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chilliz by and large is confronting an essentially tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they for the most part thought. The CHZ explicitly is down to nearly 6.75% in the kind of most recent 7 days in a truly significant manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could essentially have in every practical sense solid basics in any case. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, exhibiting how besides CHZ can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $79 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Chilliz value figure 2024 facts what will generally be Chilliz worth in 2024 in a very huge manner. The CHZ cost is estimated to explicitly arrive at a truly greatest degree of $79 with especially least cost of $0.1642 toward the finish of 2024, so the coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for genuinely past not very many days. The coin could explicitly have serious areas of strength for essentially yet. We don't truly feel that it would a productive resource in all things considered, present moment, exhibiting how besides CHZ can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $79 in an in every way that really matters, enormous way. Does Chilliz basically have a future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Chilliz most certainly has an extraordinary, most certainly potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner without a doubt. It is figured that CHZ will increment in esteem, exhibiting how CHZ value